pronounce
I think we've got putting in toilet. Not ready to find time. Your butt, too.
So this is a toilet that we found that fits into our kayak.
Bye-bye.
Hi!
Thank you.
We are on a primitive island. And so we bring our own toilet so that we can pack out our bio waste. Bill's taking out a wag bag, which you can buy online.
So the Florida Keys present an interesting challenge when it comes to waste disposal because the islands are comprised of coral rock and it is virtually impossible to dig the required 6 inches or so into the soil for a cat hole. We travel throughout the backcountry of the Lower Keys and we witnessed a lot of human abuse, if you will, of the islands when it comes to waste, both garbage and bio waste. And so when we started our backcountry trips, we were intent on coming up with a system in which we left no trace that we had actually been there. The beginning of this system is a wag bag, and inside the wag bag is a powder. And when human waste and water interact with that powder, the contents of the bag are turned into a gel. For comfort for our customers, we needed something for them to sit on. So we developed a system of corrugated plastic, a base for that plastic to sit on. The bag goes in and over the edges, and a top goes onto the bag, and what you're left with is a very, very comfortable throne to sit on. We carry a toilet bag which contains all the necessities. For emergencies, we have the Dig-It spade. Way down at the bottom, we have Clorox wipes for cleaning. We have plastic gloves for cleaning, and we have resupplies of the wag bag system. In addition, we have our toilet paper. This is a small group, so we only have 2 rolls. If we run out, we encourage them to use poisonwood leaves. We have hand sanitizer, always, and we have baby wipes. So all of these kind of live inside the garbage bag. We find a private place to set up the toilet, and we set the bag some distance away but on the path to the toilet. When someone needs it, they walk up, they grab the bag, and they move it to the bathroom area. If you don't see the bag, that means someone's there, so you give them your privacy. If you see the bag, that means the bathroom is open. One other thing that a lot of outfitters don't think about that we do is we also provide reading material, so that while you're sitting on the can, you can enjoy. This trip, the reading material is Journeys of Simplicity, Traveling Light, with poems about what people travel with. And then a book called Longitude, the true story of a genius who solved the greatest scientific problem of his time. We don't have any New York Times. When the bathroom system needs to be closed up, if the bag is nearing its full capacity or it's the end of the day, we simply take the wag bag, wrap it up. We put the wag bag inside a Ziploc that comes with it. And the Ziploc then goes into a special dry bag that's also lined, and then that dry bag goes inside Mary's kayak.
Yes.
And that's our way of mitigating our impact on these islands that receive a lot of heavy use. As you can see, where we're camped, the power boat's pulling up for the sunset.
I have a question.
Yes.
Do you pee in the toilet?
We encourage people not to pee in the toilet. It activates the gel prematurely. We like to add the water at the end of the trip and add a little more gel to make sure everything turns into a gel. This does sometimes present a problem for women or sometimes men. We just encourage you to go early and often. So.
Okay.
Do we have
Thank
any
you,
questions
Bill.
from our...
Here's our audience. Mike, Rebecca.
All right, tourism or eco tour class. Good luck, and I hope we see you on the water.